Ever felt like you're playing financial Jenga? You're trying to build something solid, but one wrong move and it all comes tumbling down. And in that game, knowing the rules, like, say, the minimum balance for a popular investment platform, is absolutely crucial. So, let me ask you, if you're eyeing Spaceship as a potential launchpad for your financial journey, do you know the magic number? The number that unlocks the door? Because let's be real, diving into investing can feel a bit like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. You hear about diversification, compound interest, and all these fancy terms, but the practical, down-to-earth stuff, like, how much do I actually need to start, often gets lost in the noise. You're not alone if you've been searching for a straight answer. You've probably scrolled through forums, read countless articles, and maybe even tried to decipher the fine print on their website. But sometimes, you just want someone to cut to the chase and tell you, plain and simple, what's up. Well, today, we're doing exactly that. We're breaking down the minimum balance requirements for Spaceship, and we're going to do it in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're brand new to the world of investing. Spaceship, for those who might not be familiar, is an Australian investment platform that's gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and focus on long-term growth. They offer a range of investment portfolios, often targeting tech and growth-oriented companies. This makes them appealing to a younger demographic looking to build wealth over time. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. The question on everyone's mind, what's the minimum balance? Here's the good news, Spaceship is designed to be accessible. Unlike some traditional investment platforms that require hefty initial deposits, Spaceship allows you to get started with a relatively small amount. Specifically, you can begin investing with Spaceship with as little as $1. Yes, you read that right. $1 single. This low barrier to entry is a key part of their appeal. It means you don't need to have thousands of dollars saved up to start building your investment portfolio. However, while you can technically start with $1, it's important to understand the practical implications. Investing such a small amount might not yield significant returns in the short term. The power of compounding comes into play over time, and the more you invest, the greater the potential for growth. Think of it like planting a seed. One seed can grow into a plant, but a whole garden will produce a much larger harvest. Similarly, consistently contributing to your investment portfolio will have a much greater impact than a one-time, minimal deposit. Spaceship also encourages regular contributions. They offer features like automatic recurring investments, which allow you to set up a regular schedule for adding funds to your account. This is a fantastic way to build a habit of investing and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, which helps to smooth out the ups and downs of the market. So, the minimum balance to start investing with Spaceship is $1. But don't let that fool you. The real key to success is consistent, long-term investing. Start small, if you need to, but aim to increase your contributions over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial future, and Spaceship provides a user-friendly platform to help you do just that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.